What's up, lads? It's the boys, the hentai lads, and we're back. Well, he's back. I'm here.
I'm back. He's cameraman. That's gonna be it for now. So I'm gonna be reviewing one, and then he'll be camera and doing things like focus and whatnot. And when he does his, I'm gonna be doing that job. But it's my turn now. I got this Obito Uchiha figurine. This is the. Where did I get this? Where was it from? FNC.
I think it's. Wait, let me check. I think it's FCM.
Here we go. But yeah, this is the side. Oh yeah, this is the other side. This is the front. Not the front. This is the top.
FNC anime.
Did I do the back? I don't know if I did the back. But this is the back. This is the back.
You gotta read it.
So this already read. Fine.
Read everyone.
Obito Uchiha. Obito Uchiha was a member of Konoha. Konoha's Chiyo clan. He was believed to have died during the Third Shinobi World War. His only surviving legacy being the Sharingan he gave to his teammate Kakashi Hatake. In truth, Obito was saved from death and trained by Madara Uchiha, but the events of the war left Obito disillusioned with reality, and he inherited Madara's plan to create an ideal world. Resurfacing under the name of Tobi and Madara Uchiha himself, Obito subtly took control of the Akatsuki, using them as means to advance his machinations. Something. Eventually going public and starting the Fourth Shinobi World War. However, towards the war's conclusion, Obito had a change of heart and, as atonement, sacrificed his life to save the same world he sought to replace. That is all, folks. Oh yeah, alright.
That's all, folks.
I don't remember how many freaking sides I've already shown now. But let's get the knifey out. Let's take a grape. Oh wait, you guys already opened it. Didn't need the knife after all.
No, you probably still need it. I've seen big ass boxes.
Okay.
Lots of stuff.
First thing that's in it is this. First time I actually had one of these. It's pretty damn exciting. Because it's pretty damn exciting. Oh, it's just like a little postcard thing.
Oh.
Was that? Oh! Wow. What? I thought something else would be.
Oh wait, I think it's right.
Okay, well, I guess not. Finally! Okay. Ooh, okay. Now my whole thing is, I don't know if this is going to fit up there. Ow, it's spiky. Ooh, it hurts. Alright, let me just check if it's over there. Maybe I'll say if it doesn't. It does! It does. It does. It does. Sweet. Okay, Jamal. Check the thingy. So this is the side. It's heavy. Jeez.
Ow, that is spiky. Oh yeah, that. It's got little stabbers. You can shank someone with this. Ow.
Okay. What the heck is this? Oh shame, it's the photo in there. Is this a reference? This is Obito's body.
Okay, it's
Is it a body?
Alright, yeah. There's his body.
Oh wait, I think this goes on the fan.
Oh, wait, what does he have on his back?
What do you mean?
I don't know, there's this.
Oh, it's just a sword. A
Oh.
little sword. Here's the fan that you got from Dara. this is. I think that's a head.
Yeah, it works pretty well.
It does what?
Works well.
Nice.
It's a good fanniness with it. See, looks well.
You want to show off the hand?
No. They'll just see that when you show it.
I don't know why it's two different hands. Oh, never mind. I know why. So this comes with two heads and two hands. So the first hand is just the normal hand. The second hand is holding the mask.
There we go.
Oh, it's magnetic.
Oh.
Just magnetics right up on there. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna be having this one of the mask. Yeah. Now his first head is when he has the mask. Oh, that's pretty cool. You could also see that he has a Rinnegan in one eye and his Mangekyo in the other.
Okay. So, can I show that? I don't think it will come through. But I mean, he does. Yes, yeah, there's you with the mask.
And the next head
You know, it would be better if you were like here. Come here, no!
I'll go there. And just
Wait, move it down a bit. Yeah. So that's it. If you enjoyed, you can always hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share with your friends or your enemies if you think it was shit. And maybe we'll see you next time.